Most investors know that diversification is important, but when it comes to alternative investments, many people struggle to get it right. Some investors, they go all in on a single asset class like multifamily or self-storage, thinking that's enough. Others, well, they spread themselves too thin. They're investing in too many different assets without truly understanding how the risk and return actually work together. So that's why I created the Hickory Creek Smart Fund to make diversification easier and more strategic. Inside the fund, we vet and invest in multiple asset types, including mobile home parks, self-storage facilities, multifamily, and even some private equity deals and marinas, all carefully selected for strong returns, lower risk, and economic resilience. Instead of spending hours searching and trying to piece together a portfolio on your own, you can invest alongside experienced investors in deals that are already pre-screened and structured for success. Here's how it works. First, we're going to look at high quality diversified assets. We're going to bring these deals in front of you, some of the best deals you've ever seen, some deals that you've never seen before. And these are diversified across multiple asset classes, ensuring that no single economic trend puts you at risk. Second, we're going to conduct deep due diligence on every single deal, vetting the sponsors, the financials, exit strategies, so you can invest with confidence. Third, you can choose what you invest in. You get to pick and choose and say no to what you don't like. The Smart Fund gives you the flexibility to participate in only the deals that fit your financial strategy. The result? A well-balanced portfolio without the stress of trying to do everything yourself. So if you're an accredited investor and you want to see if the Smart Flex Fund is the right fit for your diversification strategy, drop the word flex below and I'll send you the details.